Greetings everyone, this is Ryan. In today's video we're going to talk about adding a single camera with multiple views or crops and zooms. So this is something I discovered and it's very limited in its use, but we'll get going. I'm going to start by connecting my camera into the studio library. Then I'm going to go to the library, and there it is. And you see my dog Rocco. He is sitting there looking out the window. And what we're going to do is I want to have a close-up view of Rocco. So I'm going to hit the plus button down in the lower center and hit Scene Creator. Now I'm going to add a layer. I'm going to add that camera into the scene. The next thing I'm going to do is pinch and zoom this image. So I pinched it in, or you know, you pull out or in, out to zoom in to zoom out, and there's Rocco. So I've added this scene. I'm going to put it there. So now I have two different shots of Rocco. So now maybe I want to add a third zoom in. So I'm going to go back to the Scene Creator, add a layer, add the next camera, or add the same camera to it. Now I'm going to have an ugly picture of the window. And there you go. Now we're going to create that. So now I have a close-up of the window, of Rocco, and of the full screen. Now this is a Mevo Start. I'm sure you can do this on any others. It's very similar to the crop and zoom that you would use previously in the Mevo Multicam app. But in Studio, this is how I've discovered how to do it. Now, if you want to rename these scenes, you can go back to the Scene Creator, hit the wheelhouse button, and put close up. Rocco. Done. And then I am done with that. Now I've changed that. I'm going back out. Oops, sorry. I'm going to update. Apply changes. There it is. So that's how you do it. You can have multiple zooms on the same camera. Now, this is kind of poor lighting, but I wanted to remind you that scenes cannot be put into other scenes yet. So hopefully we can do that later. But that's how we can do a multiple crop zoom. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section, or you can come to my Discord channel and we can talk about it there. I'll leave it in the description below.